Look at that. That is insane. Well, you can't really see the other side of it, but this is the front coming in. That is spectacular. Yeah, that's better. Look at this, guys. Wow. This is one of the big ones, guys. I haven't seen a storm like this since last year. Grace, stay by the car, please. I don't want you near the road. I won't. Grace, shut your door. I'm almost done. Get some zoom in on this before I leave. Alright, guys, that's about to move over us. I am actually in Sunbury, PA, out by Spyglass Ridge Winery. This is breathtaking. And here it comes. I don't know if that's a twister or if that's just a low ground cloud.
What's that?
Yeah, I know. I won't, I promise. Oh, wow. Okay, guys, time to go. It was nice filming for you. Wow. It's okay, Grace.